Good morning senior school students, teachers and parents. Welcome to our Week 2 Assembly. I'd like to invite Zoe and David to give the acknowledgement of country.
I would like to respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this event is taking place.
I pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
Please stand silently for the national anthem.
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas, we've boundless plains to share. With courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Please be seated.
We would like to congratulate the following students for their achievements in the 2020 Creative Arts Competition. For Year 8 Visual Art Awards, first place, Taran Anno. In third place, Talana Morso, Lauren Morso, Taran Anno and Isaiah Wenban. For Year 12 Visual Art Awards, second place, Ewan Kennedy. Poetry Awards for Junior, second place, Talana Morso. Pottery and Ceramics Awards, first place, Ewan Kennedy. Congratulations.
Just a reminder that Jeans for Jeans Day is on August 7th and a gold coin donation is required. Tranquil Tuesday is back with Chappie Hannah, Junior's first break and Senior's second break. Yarning Circle back, Wednesday second lunch, lower L block. Tri Club running training for anyone year 3 to 12, Tuesdays, first break, top oval.
Family portrait opportunity to help fundraise for the PNC is available. For $25, you can receive a 20-minute photo shoot at school with a framed print. Available on Sunday, 16th of August. Bookings are required. Please see the PNC Facebook page or school newsletter for more details.
Keep them earnings coming, Bradman. But the winner for this week is Bodie.
Rata students, keep those earnings coming in so we can get more points for the end of term. This week's winner is Sarah.
Hey O'Neill, keep the earnings coming in, and the O'Neill winner for this week is
Catherine.
In recognition of our postponed NAIDOC assembly, please enjoy this next performance as a sample of the November assembly. Thank you, Ms. D.
I come from the dream time, from the dusty red soil plains.
The girl became a woman on the long and dusty road.
I am the rock, I am the sky, the rivers when they run. The spirit of this great land, I am Australian.
You're one, but we are many.
And from all the lands that we come, we'll share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australians. am from all the lands on earth we come. We'll share our dreams and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. We are one, but we are many. And for all the lands on earth we come. We'll share a dream and sing with one voice.